Hey everyone, this is a short overview of some of the work I've been doing in Unity 5. I just started using this, so the game I'm working on is pretty basic right now, but it's going to be a puzzle-based tile game. Here's what I have so far, and I'll show you how it works behind the scenes in a second. So all I have right now is basically tiles that get laid out on the screen, and you get a little guy that can move around. And when you move up on the board moves up, and when you move down, it moves down. So not too much, but making progress. To give you a little overview of how this works, let me open up the scene view, and I'll open this up side by side so you can see as the game is playing what the scene looks like. So in the scene, let me pause it for a second. Each tile is something called a game object. You can see them on the left. A game object has a sprite renderer attached, so this defines essentially what picture appears on the sprite. So I have a few different images that can be attached to the sprites. So right now I just have two that I'm showing. And as I move around, let me go back to play mode. As I move my character around, if I move up in the game, the camera, this white box here, is moving up, and the game objects, the tiles, they're kind of paging in and out as you move. So you can have a pretty big tile-based map and not have any performance issues here, because it's basically reusing the tiles as you move around. And to show you how that works, so this map is defined by an XML file that I created. So on here we have the level width and height. So it's currently 50 tiles by 50 tiles. And then these right here just defining the areas that you can move. Right now you can move everywhere just because I haven't got that far. But that's what that's for. But anyways, the height and the width, if I change this, let's set it to 10 and 10. And then if I have this little button here to reload the XML file, it reads it in and then reconstructs the level. So now it's 10 tiles by 10 tiles. But the neat thing is, if let's say I wanted 1,000,000 tiles in my level. I don't know why I would do that, but let's say I wanted 1,000,000, so 1,000 by 1,000. And when I load it, loads just as fast. And as I move around, I can move up and down. I'm not going to move up 1,000 tiles because that will take all day. But if I look on the left, we have all these, each one of these are the tiles. We have a bunch of tiles created, but we don't have 1,000,000 tiles created. We just have the tiles that you can see in the camera's view. So that's how it works. I will post another video as I make more progress. Thanks everyone. Bye.